everyone, myself Bhumika M. Annigeri from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, pursuing my first year engineering. The subject is Principles of Programming and the topic is Basic Organization of Computer and Input and Output Devices. This is a block diagram of a computer which consists of an input unit, output unit, control unit, arithmetic and logical unit. What does a computer do? A computer is an electronic device which performs five major operations: accepting data or instructions, storing the data, processing the data, displaying results, controlling and coordinating all operations inside a computer. Input. The process of entering the data and instructions into the computer is called input. Storage. Storage is the process of saving data and instructions permanently in the computer so that they can be used for processing. A computer has two types of storage area: primary storage and secondary storage. In brief, primary storage. Primary storage, also known as the main memory, is the storage area that is directly accessible by the CPU at very high speeds. Secondary storage. Secondary storage is also known as auxiliary memory. This memory is just the opposite of primary memory. It overcomes all the drawbacks of the primary storage area. Output. Output is the process of giving the result of data processing to the outside world. Control. The control unit CU is the central nervous system of entire computer system. It manages and controls all the components of the computer system. Note that the CPU is a combination of the arithmetic logic unit ALU and the control unit CU. Processing. The process of performing operations on the data as per the instructions specified by the user or a program is called processing. Input and output devices. Input devices. Let us see into some examples of input devices that are used in our daily life. Keyboard. A keyboard is the main input devices to the computer. A keyboard looks like a typewriter. Advantages of keyboard: the keyboard is easy to use and inexpensive. Disadvantages: the keyboard cannot be used to draw figures. Pointing devices. A pointing input device enables the user to easily control the movement of the selected items on a display screen, to select commands from commands menu, to draw graphics, etc. Mouse. It is the key input device used in a graphical user interface GUI. Mouse is a handheld device that allows a user to control the computer without typing instructions from the keyboard. Trackball. A trackball is a pointing device that is used to control the position of the cursor on the screen. Touchpad. A touchpad is a small, flat, rectangular stationary pointing device with a sensitive surface of 1.5 to 2 square inches. This is basically seen in the laptops. Handheld devices. Example: touchscreen. A touchscreen is a display screen that can identify the occurrence and position of a touch inside the display region. The touchscreen facilitates the user to interact with what it is displayed on the screen in a straightforward manner rather than in an indirect way by using a mouse or a touchpad. The touchscreen displays are available on computers, laptops, PDAs, and mobile phones. Joystick. A joystick is a cursor control device which widely used in computer games and computer aided design or computer aided manufacturing applications. A joystick has one or more push buttons called switches whose position can also be read by the computer. Optical devices. Optical devices, also known as data scanning devices, use light as a source of input and detecting or recognizing different objects such as characters, marks, codes, and images. Barcode reader. A barcode reader is handheld input device that is used to capture and read information stored in a barcode. It's widely used in following areas: generate bills in supermarkets, keep track of employee login, identify hospital patients, track manufacturing and shipping movements, check out books from a library. Image scanner. A scanner is a device that captures images, printed text, and handwriting from different sources such as photographic prints, posters, and magazines, and converts them into digital images for editing and display on computers. Scanners come in handheld, feed in, and flatbed types, and for scanning either color images, black and white images, or both. Optical Mark Recognition OMR device. Optical mark recognition is the process of electronically extracting data from marked fields such as checkboxes and fill in fields on printed forms. The OMR sheet is scanned by the reader to detect the presence of a mark by measuring the reflected light levels. Optical mark readers work at very high speeds. Output devices. Any device that gives information from a computer is called an output device. If we look into the examples of some output devices, impact printer. They create characters by striking on ink ribbon against the paper. Example: dot matrix printer. Plotters. A plotter is used to print vector graphics with a high point quality. They are widely used to draw maps. Monitor. The monitor is a soft copy output device used to display video and graphics information generated by the computer through the video card. Projectors. A projector is a device that takes an image from a video source and projects it onto a screen or another surface. Projectors also allow users to change or adjust some features of the image such as brightness, sharpness, and color settings, similar to the features available in a standard television. Projectors are now available in a variety of different shapes and sizes and are produced by many different companies. Speakers. Computer speakers are output devices that convert a computer's digital audio into sound waves that users can hear. They are an essential part of a computer's multimedia capabilities, allowing users to listen to music, watch videos, and play games. The normal computer speakers are small, plastic, and have sound quality. Thank you for watching the video.